Welcome to my craft area. I'm Anna Hellman and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's look at today's project. I have a really quick tip to share with you that is a lifesaver when you are applying pearls or rhinestones or gems of any type to your projects. And that is to take your pick tool, which has several pieces and attachments to put in both ends for different purposes. But we are going to be looking at this end of it today. This is the putty end of it, the sticky end. So I had used the putty that was sticking out before quite a bit. So I wiped that off the end. And now I need to twist this a little bit to dispense a little bit more. Now, when you're doing this, I really suggest you just twist it a little bit and then wait a few seconds because it does take a few seconds for it to come out. Now, I have just a little bit sticking out there that I think you can see. And this is what we are now going to use to pick up and attach our gems to our project. Now, I, for one, have fumbly fingers. So if you have fumbly fingers, I hope that this is helpful for you too, because this is so much better than the old way. Now the hardest part is just figuring out where you want to put your gems. These are some pretty opal gems that we have right now. So I'm going to stick these on, and that is pretty much it. Just use that putty end of your take your pick tool, and it takes all the headache out of applying gems to your projects. Thanks so much for joining in today. For more information and links to the products used today, click in the video description box down below to visit my website. Make sure you also click down below to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell to receive notifications when I share new videos. I truly appreciate you being here, as well as every like, share, and comment that I receive. I'll see you again next time when I'll be back helping you to hand make with love.